Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Samayaa. If you're new here, girl, and if you're returning, girly, hey girl, hey, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today. Okay girls, so we have a cute little decorate my purse with me video. Okay, I have a new Louis Vuitton purse that I'm going to unbox with you guys, and then we are going to decorate it, y'all, because I've been seeing so many cute like decorating my purses videos in short form content like on Instagram and stuff like that, TikTok. So I wanted to make a long form version, and plus I wanted to show you guys my new Louis V bag because it's so cute, and I've been wanting to get one of these bags for the absolute longest. So the fact that I actually have one now is like great, and I'm super grateful. It's unboxing time. So y'all, I'm super excited. So let's just not waste no time and let's just get straight into it. Okay, so let's take out the bag. And the bag that I got, y'all, is a bag that's very versatile, a very versatile Louis Vuitton bag. So I think that's one of the reasons why I really love it. But let me go ahead and show you guys. So as you can see, I have two pouches. So let's go ahead and open up the first pouch. So in this first pouch, we have the small Louis Vuitton right here. And the bag that I got is called like the Louis Vuitton Pochette, something like that, y'all. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, because I know I might be saying it wrong. But yeah, you guys, so let's go ahead and take this out and get a closer look. Okay girls, so here's a closer look of the first little pouch. Super cute. It has LV right here. And yeah, y'all, so this is the first little pouch. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other pouch. All right girls, so this is the bigger Louis V pouch. So as you can see, it looks exactly like the smaller one, just in a bigger size. So this purse also does come with a super cute coin pouch, y'all, that goes on the purse. How cute. So you can just hang it up on the purse, or if I ever wanted to take it off and use it as something else, I can. So I do love that feature. The purse also comes with this really pretty gold chain that you can accessorize on your purse, and it does say Louis Vuitton in small writing. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, so it's very, 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 very small, but it does say Louis Vuitton, so super cute and shiny. And then this purse also does come with crossbody straps, because this purse is really a crossbody purse, but you can also wear it as a shoulder bag. That's why I love this bag so much, because it's very versatile. And I got the rose gold pink straps, you guys. This does come in different colored strap options. I believe there are black straps you can get as well as a green strap, but I went ahead and of course got the rose gold pink. Okay girls, so I put my purse together and this is what it looks like. This bag is so cute, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just a cute sporty crossbody. I'm gonna actually put it on so we can get the full effect, girlfriend. So y'all, look how cute. And you can adjust the strap if you want it to be lower, but this is such a cute bag. I love how it's like not big, but it's still spacious, because you have all this room in this purse right here, and then you have all this room in the other little purse pouch. So I love it. Then you have a coin pouch. Super cute. I really, really like this. All the details for this purse is in the description box below, girl. You know I got you, so definitely check it out if you love this purse as much as I do. I think it is literally So cute, so versatile. So now we're gonna get into the decorating portion of this video. I don't think I'm going to wear the purse like this. I mean, I will eventually, but for this video, I do want to wear this purse as like a shoulder bag because I'm curious to see how it would look. Okay girls, so this is how I want to wear my new Louis V purse for today. I just want to wear it as a shoulder bag. Now it is a little, you know, smaller, but the cool thing about this bag is I could choose the small pouch or the big pouch to wear as a shoulder bag. But today I'm just going with something cute and dainty. Also, this is what it looks like as a shoulder bag. So super cute, just like the crossbody option. So like I said, this purse is very versatile, you guys. You can even like buy separate straps if you want to and put your own little straps on it. So I do really love this purse because of how versatile it is. But now let me go ahead and show you guys my cute little accessories I got for my purse. All right girls, so I got all of my cute keychains from no other than Burlington Coat Factory. I know, right? And then I think I got one keychain from Five and Below. But Burlington had some really cute keychains, y'all. So let me just give y'all a mini keychain haul really quick because I was shocked. Like, Burlington really be having everything. The first keychain that I got that's absolutely my favorite that I purchased is this bad boy right here. Do you guys see how cute this keychain is? It comes with a cute little dog. How cute is that? It comes with a lip gloss and it comes with a puff ball. Like, this is so cute. Like, really, this can do it. Like, this could be the only keychain you need on your purse. Like, cause it's just so, it has everything. A puff ball, a dog, a lip gloss. Like, it's just so cute. A little gumball machine. I totally forgot about that with the bow. So super cute. Okay girls, so I also got this little cute keychain from Burlington. It's super cute. This is what it looks like. It's pink and this keychain was $2.99. They also had this in a purple, but the pink I felt like just goes with the vibe. So I did go ahead and get a pink one. I might honestly cut this little piece off because I think I just want this part to hang. I don't know, I have to see how I want to do it, but it is super cute and girly. Then the one keychain that I got from Five and Below was this really cute unicorn keychain, you guys. It's so cute, sparkly and girly. So yeah, these are all of the keychains that I bought for this purse. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them, but I do want to accessorize this purse and get it all cute and girly. So let's go ahead and do that. Decorating time. Okay guys, so the first keychain that I'm gonna hang on my purse is my favorite one right here. So yes ma'am, this keychain is literally so cute. If I can get it on, and look how cute that is. Literally so cute. So now I'm gonna hang this one on the other side, and I did go ahead and cut off that little thing that I said I was gonna cut off, and I actually added my Juicy Couture crown charm on this keychain, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's a closer look. So we're gonna go ahead and add this keychain. Okay girls, so let's go ahead and add this keychain right here. So stinking cute. I absolutely love it. It gives it more like a fun vibe. I think I might just stick with these keychains, y'all, because I don't want to do like too much, but I still want my purse to be decorated. So yeah, and I feel like the shiny little blingy chain that comes with the purse I feel like it helps as well with just giving this purse like some pizzazz. But yeah, y'all, this is just a closer look. It's literally so cute. All right, girl, I hope you enjoyed this decorate my purse with me / unboxing. I really feel like this purse came out so cute. I love it so much. I definitely need to pick out some more keychains. Like, I need to build my keychain collection, y'all. But the keychains that I found, I feel like look so cute and they're very fitting to this purse, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this purse as much as I do, girl, check out the description box below, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.